Welcome students. Today we will do question number 11 of exercise 10.1 of class 6 NCERT mensuration. So in last video we have seen that we have done till question number 10. Question number 11 is given as a piece of string is 30 centimeter long, and that is given. You will write given length of string is equal to 30 centimeter. What will be the length of each side of if the string is used to form? Then this question is saying that we have one string, and using this string we are making first question square, second equilateral triangle, and third one we are making hexagon. So it is asking what will be the length of each side. So first one, when it is a square 30 centimeter will be the perimeter, therefore side is equal to perimeter by 4. I have given the formula for this. So 30 by 4, that is 2 times 15 times, that is 7.5 centimeter. In a square case, each side will be 7.5 centimeter. Second one is B number, it is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Therefore, side will be equal to perimeter by 2, perimeter by 3, that is length of the wire divided by 3, that is equal to 30 by 3 equal to 10 centimeter. And question number C, it is a regular hexagon, means number of side is given 6, because hexagon we have 6 side, therefore perimeter side will be, therefore side is equal to perimeter by 6. Perimeter is 30 centimeter, number of side is 6, so it will be 5 centimeter. So question number 11, we have 3 part, each part we will do like this. Then question number 12, it is said two sides of triangle are 12 and 14, means there is one triangle whose two sides are 12 and 14, and perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. That means we have given solution. You will write perimeter of triangle is equal to 36 centimeter. First side is equal to 12 centimeter. Second side is equal to 14 centimeter. Therefore, third side is equal to perimeter minus sum of first side, sum of two sides, that is perimeter minus 12 plus 14. So it will come perimeter, that is perimeter is 36 minus 26, that is 10 centimeter. So question number 12, you have seen how to do. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meter at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. Means this question says that a park is of rectangular shape whose sides are 250 meter and rate of the fencing, means you have to make the boundary at the rate of rupees 20 per, means first you will find the perimeter of the park, then you will multiply with its rate to get the cost of fencing. So solution you will do, what is given first you will write that one given, side of a square park is equal to 250 meter. Rate of fencing is given rupees 20 per meter. First, therefore, you will find length of fence, that is length of fence is equal to perimeter of square, that is 4 into 250 is equal to 1000 meter. Now therefore cost of fencing is equal to rate into length of fence, that is rate is 20 into 1000, that is equal to 20,000 rupees, 20,000. You will do like this. Question number 14 is same. First I am reading the question, listen the question. Find the cost of fencing a rectangular park. In question number 13 the park was of square shape. In question number 14 it is of rectangular shape whose length and breadth is given. Length is 175 meter and breadth is given 125 meter. Then rate of fencing is given 12 meter per meter, 12 rupees per meter. So you have to find the cost of fencing. Same way, you will first find the perimeter, then do like this. So I am doing this question. Given, you write here given length is equal to 175 meter, breadth is equal to 125 meter, rate is given, rate of fencing is given rupees 12 per meter. Therefore length of fence is equal to perimeter of fence, that is equal to 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 175 plus 125, that is equal to 2 into, you will add this to 300, that is equal to 600 meter. Length of fence is equal to 600 meter. Therefore cost of fencing will be equal to, as here we have done, rate into length. So rate into length of fence, that is rupees 12 per meter into 600 meter, 600, only 600 meter, that is equal this much rupees it should come. 12 6 the 72, 20 more. So question number 13 and 14 is here. Now question number 15. Question number 15 is Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meter. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Who covers less distance? Means the question is Sweetie runs around a square park. Means Sweetie is running around a square park like this park. This one is Sweetie of side 75 meter. And Bulbul is running around a rectangular park. This is Bulbul of length 60 meter and breadth 45 meter. Question is asked who covers less distance. So for finding the distance we have to find the perimeter of these two figure. We have to find the perimeter. So first we will write given side of a square park, (75 meter). Therefore distance covered by Sweetie will be equal to 4 into side, that is 4 into 75 meter, that is equal to 300 meter. Now second case, this one is first one for Sweetie. For Sweetie. Now you will write for Bulbul. For Bulbul. Length is equal to 60 meter, breadth is 45 meter. Therefore distance covered by Bulbul, COV, covered by Bulbul is equal to perimeter of rectangular park, that is 2 into L into plus B, that is 2 into length is 60 plus 45. Add this one, 2 into 105, that is equal to 210 meter. So now after finding out the perimeter, you will see that Sweetie's distance covered or perimeter is 300 meter and distance covered by Bulbul is 210. So question is asking who covers less distance. So we can see that Bulbul covers less distance, therefore you will write Bulbul covers less distance by how much? So by 300 minus 210, that is equal to 90 meter. So till question number 15. In this video I have done question number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Next two question is in next video. So see my next video. Thank you.